Many ancient cultures believed the Earth was flat. It was only recently in more modern times that we're told the shape of the Earth as a globe, shown in media and mainstream science. Then in 2014, a resurgence of flat Earth began making a comeback. At that same time in 2014, a defense contractor and retired Army veteran had just survived one of the most devastating green-on-blue attacks at a place called Karga, Afghanistan, the West Point-style military academy for the Afghan Army. There were a total of 16 people wounded and killed in the attack, the most senior a U.S. two-star general fatally. Picture this. In that same war zone of Kabul, Afghanistan in 2019, this same defense contractor, after finally looking into flat Earth, decided to test the shape of the Earth. Over a 4-day period, he developed a comprehensive 9-step geometric validation process using military science, geometry, and the sun. The process was technical but easy to do and extremely accurate. Measuring the sun's height based on sun season and observer location would give the answer. His name was Corey Kell, a defense contractor and veteran with over 35 years of experience. First, what needed to happen was to create a valid start point known as the sun survey point. This action would set the geometric edge from the test site. This was done by simply using a compass and a device Kell created called the Marks device. It was a simple piece of wood with a hole cut in the middle and a string line elevated above it. The equipment required was simple and inexpensive, something anyone could acquire or make. Using military science solid foundations of fundamentals in process and application, Kell designed a test box design based on military science live fire kill boxes. It was simple. Set in a survey point at solar noon to the observer, then using 2 methods of timing, time set or sun plot method, measure the sun's height at the designated time or predetermined azimuth of 45 degrees distance to the sun in the tropics. This test was called the 45-degree sector test. In February 2020, in the war zone of Afghanistan, Kell conducted Operation Resolute Time, completing 87 tests, of which the globe model failed 50. It was massive geometric failure at high altitudes, which should have helped the globe but didn't. The globe model failure rate was 57%. He conducted another 46 tests in Fayetteville, North Carolina, testing declination effects and sun plot method extensively. Again, the globe failed 26 of 46 tests for 56% failure rate. Testing was conclusive. The Earth was indeed flat. In 2021, Kell created the website flatearthintel.com and authored a book, Sun and Earth Modern User Reference Guide, detailing the exact process and test results. The world needed to know. The message was slowly getting out. People started asking questions and performing the test, Russia being the first, with the globe failing there as well. Trust but verify. Do your own research, get out in nature, observe, as she reveals her story to the keen observer who is vigilant and understands her message. Educate yourself in the higher knowledge of knowing the truth and discover a whole world that's been hidden.